Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete Revolut friends. Keeping your Revolut contacts tidy is important for privacy and managing your financial interactions. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily remove anyone you no longer wish to have on your friend list. It's a straightforward task that takes just a few moments to complete, giving you more control over your app experience. First, open your Revolut app and log in. Once inside, you'll want to head over to the Payments or Transfers section, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your contacts and recent transactions are listed. Scroll through your list of friends until you locate the specific person you intend to remove. Take your time to ensure you select the correct contact before proceeding to the next step. After finding the friend, tap on their name to open their profile or contact details. Within this screen, you'll need to look for an option that says Delete or Remove Contact. This option is typically found near the top right or bottom of the screen, sometimes under a three-dot menu. Once you find it, tap it, and the app will ask you to confirm your decision. Confirming will finalize the removal. It's important to note that deleting a friend from Revolut only removes them from your contact list. It does not erase any past transaction history you've had with them. They simply won't appear as a suggested contact for future payments. If you ever need to add them back, you can do so by sending them money or using their Revolut tag. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.